Grandma and Grandpa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Nikki. Happy birthday to you.
Everybody's wrong.
Okay. All right. Happy birthday, kid.
Oh, isn't she cute?
Show
Her
the
hat will come out.
Show-
Gorgeous long
show the
hair.
doll to the camera.
Show the doll to the camera.
And what is your doll's name, please, little girl?
That requires thought.
Oh, I see.
Just gotta think about that one.
Okay.
I got
You
it.
thought about it already?
Yeah.
What?
Name's Margaret.
Oh.
What is it?
Margaret.
Margaret. I see.
She looked a little bit like Megan to me. Hey, there you go. Megan's name's Margaret. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I think that's adorable.
Look at her shoes, Mommy.
Yeah. She's got quite a few dolls from you now. A little collection there. That's cute.
Okay.
Happy birthday to Nikki from Grandma and Grandpa. Are they real?
I'll take them apart and look at them. Let's see.
Ooh, those are pretty.
And
Pretty red ones.
when you win your first medal, I'm going to give you some more flowers just like that, and they're all going to be roses. How about that?
So I'll keep this paper because you'll want to put them back.
You like those?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Freeze.
Do you want us to put them in a vase? Let's get a vase.
Stick them in. So maybe I can film you two while you play.
Oh, I guess.
Yeah, you gotta get it on tape that.
That she can beat her grandfather. huh?
Right.
All the kids in my room are crack up about the fact that they all whipped me.
They did?
Yeah, they beat me in Connect 4. I got to get better at this game.
And you just have to have Nikki teach you.
You know how to put it on, Nikki?
Might be able to use this one.
I'm just trying.
Alright. Oh, look at that ivy. Wow. That's doing great.
Okay, you all set?
So Nikki, I'm gonna put this in with the flowers when you take them home, you know? But and when you put them in a vase at home, put that in the water,
Okay.
okay? Does that make sense?
Those are beautiful.
I got the flowers on Friday. I hope they're still laying.
Oh, it looks like they're doing fine though.
Yeah. I thought we were gonna see her yesterday, you know?
Yeah.
All right.
You ready for the game?
Yeah.
11. All right, let me know when you're ready. Who goes first?
I did. No, you do.
I go first? Okay, here we go. Okay, Nikki puts a block on me. And another block.
So, okay, she said 10 or 15 minutes on the pizza.
Okay.
When you get a chance. We're made with a little disc camera.
Not gonna do that.
Well, this is a little boring. Let's get some action.
No way. Well, let's see here. I'm sure this is not too interesting.
Nikki, how is the game going?
Good.
Well, look up here and tell me that.
Good.
Okay.
Watch Grandpa make his next move. Uh-oh.
Cool it, Nikki. You're in big trouble.
You look at those too. Those
All
are
right.
Henry's.
I have a second club.
Okay.
Daddy's gonna win.
You don't think so?
No?
Hey.
All right, nobody won?
No?
That's an interesting Christmas tree. They're probably gonna go out.
You know, the Christmas trees are so expensive down there.
What are they gonna replant it outside?
Oh, they're just keeping it there.
Oh. Oh.
Then every year it'll get bigger, you know?
Right. That's cute. All right, am I gonna play a game now? I'll go first.
I saw it.
I
You.
can't believe it. That's amazing.
Okay, class 4s.